Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to start off our lesson with just a little bit of review. And we've been learning that technology and energy can help us and can help our families. And so let's start our review. So this is what we looked at yesterday. And we thought about different kinds of technology and energy that our family uses when we were in the kitchen. And we named some of the different technology things that we used while we're cooking with our family. And we talked about mixers and grills and pans and ovens, all sorts of things that we have in the kitchen that help us. And you drew one picture in your journal of something in your kitchen, a technology that's in your kitchen that helps you and your family. And here are the pictures that we looked at from yesterday that show you the different technologies that you see. And then we highlighted those yesterday to kind of show you and make them stand out a little bit more. And here was our journal from yesterday, and you have one thing that you drew under the cooking, and you should either labeled it or written a sentence to talk about what type of technology was being used. So now we're going to think about your family and traveling around town and think about what kinds of technology and energy your family uses when you go from one place to another. So I'm going to give you some time to think. And think about when you are going someplace with your family, what are the technology things that you might use and the type of energy that might be being used. So if you want to pause the recording, you can go ahead and pause. Some ideas to think about are if you are maybe just going down the street to a friend's house, what type of technology might you use to get from your house to your friend's house? Think about maybe if you're going to school, what type of technology would you use if you were trying to get from your house to school? And so here are some different ideas that you might have said. You might have said a school bus. And when you think about the school bus, you can think about what type of energy is used by the school bus. You might have thought about riding your bike, as you can see in the second picture right here. Maybe you're just walking, or maybe you are in your car. Okay, so I want you to go back to your journal page where you have travel, and I want you to think of one type of technology that you use that helps you travel, and you're going to draw the picture, and you're either going to label it again or challenge yourself to write a sentence. One type of technology that helps you travel from place to place. You can think about the examples that we showed, the bus, the bicycles, walking, car, or you might think of something different, maybe a skateboard or a scooter or an airplane. But you're going to draw that, label it, or challenge yourself to write a sentence. And then you are going to click play again because we have one more section that we're going to talk about. So go ahead and pause the recording so you have time to do your travel section. So the section right up here that says travel. And then when you're ready, click play. You're not done yet. We're going to work on this bottom part together. So go ahead and click pause to give yourself some time to work. Okay, so you should have drawn your picture and written or labeled your picture, showing a technology that you use to help you travel from place to place. And so now we're going to look at what kinds of technology and energy your family uses when you're just relaxing and having fun. So you can see a family here at their house on their couch using, it looks like a video game controllers that they're playing a video game. So think about things that you and your family do for fun and think about the different technology and energy that you use. And go ahead and pause again, think about it, and then when you're ready, click play and we'll share some pictures on the next slide. Okay, so here are some ideas, some maybe you thought about. Here's one, the family playing video games. Here you see, we talked about the grill the other day for cooking. And so here's a family outside cooking using the grill, and they're using heat energy. Over here, they're probably using sound energy. So remember, also be thinking about not only the technology, but the type of energy. Here you have a family playing guitars together, making music. Here's a family out by the campfire. Looks like they're making s'mores. And so think about the technology, think about the energy. Here, a family is out fishing on the lake in their boat, and a family enjoying a bike ride together. Okay, so you're going to go back to that journal page again. And we have that last section that says fun. So you're going to think of one type of technology that you and your family use for fun. Again, it can be one of the ones that you saw in the pictures, or it could be something different that we didn't talk about, but you're going to draw it and then label it or write a sentence underneath, and then you will come back at 1:30 for our math time.